In this video,
Hello guys.
I'll show you how we cook a giant fish to feed a full Sri Lankan village. I'll show you the entire process from preparing it, cooking it, and of course the best part, eating it. It is going to be a special video on this beautiful Sri Lankan village, and it's all coming up for you right now.
Today we are cooking 50 kilos of river fish. Man, this thing is heavy. How are you, sir? You good? It is heavy, man. We are going to be cooking up a feast, man. I am telling you. Oh my god, this thing is heavy. Oh. So here we go. We're going to get started now. As you can see, we've got beautiful clear skies. We've got some clouds over there in the distance. But we're going to go ahead and get started on this fish.
Not even 5 minutes into preparing the fish, the village man wanted to take a break and to show me their local Sri Lankan moonshine called Kasipu. Let's just hope things don't get too messy.
Oh, Kasipu.
Okay, show me. So they got a little bit of a plastic bag. Wow, interesting. Okay. So Kasipu is like, I guess, the typical Sri Lankan moonshine, basically. It's similar to Desi Daru. Wow.
Kasipu.
Kasipu, okay. Wow, so it looks like some more people. Kasipu. This is getting wilder and wilder. We got the whole village. Kasipu. Superior. It's good, yeah? Guys, obviously I don't really drink or anything, so I'm just happy to partake from behind the camera. I don't speak Sinhala, but I guess it's Kasipu. Superior. Wow, it's strong. Power. Oh, look at this. Oh. Right, let's go together. Let's go. Wow, Mama has shown me. Wow, you're very strong.
With the village man feeling much happier now, we then went back to where the ladies were actually doing some work.
An interesting bit of I guess they call it fruit, kind of looks like a vegetable. And yeah, after they go ahead and peel it, this is what it looks like. And then we go ahead and wash it to prepare it later. Look at that, super interesting. I've never had anything like this before. And guys, obviously whenever you're having fish curry, sometimes you mix it with rice or like some sort of potato or some sort of carb, but today we are substituting that rice for a delicious breadfruit. And this is the spices and the vegetables that we have. What do we have, Amma?
Yeah, capsicum, onion, tomato, garlic, green chili.
Green chili. Wow, it looks spicy.
Yeah, spicy. Curry leaves.
Curry leaves, interesting. I've never seen this before.
Now, pandam leaves.
Pandam leaves.
Sri Lankan name, rampi.
Rampi for eating? You can eat like this?
Can't
Oh,
eat.
not eating.
Yeah, okay? You don't eat.
I'm
You
always
can
thinking
eat.
about eating. This one is
Curries,
okay?
yeah.
Okay.
You can
Let's go ahead and try it. Fresh curry leaf. Oh wow.
Yeah.
Wow, that really does taste like curry. Like obviously the distinctive curry taste that you're probably used to is the one that they powdered down, which is this.
Unfortunately, as we continued to prepare the food, it became very apparent that there was a big problem looming ahead.
So there's a slight problem, which is the one right above me. Guys, it is starting to rain. So we're gonna actually move just over there. There's a little hut and we're gonna go ahead and cook. Look at that beautiful white meat of the fish. Absolutely incredible.
Oh.
Super fresh. I mean, we literally caught this fish this morning. So we're actually going to go ahead and cook the fish in 3 different ways. The first one, of course, is a delicious curry with the breadfruit. Look at that. A nice natural charcoal. Looks good. Wow. And so this is actually just one of the dishes. The other way we're going to go ahead and prepare it is we're going to go ahead and fry the fish. But over here we're still making all the different ingredients for the curry. And last but not least, we're actually going to go ahead and barbecue the fish as well. So at the moment we are setting it up over here. Look at this Wow.
Sebabul. Pak bahala pamis ku dal bahamun.
Obviously the ladies are coming to rescue the men. Us men have no idea when it comes to cooking. We make it look like and make it seem like we know what we're doing when it comes to barbecue. But of course, it's the ladies doing all the amazing flavoring over here. Oh yeah, superior. So this is the barbecue. Let me go ahead and show you this delicious, authentic Sri Lankan fish curry. Nice and spicy. You got garlic in there. You got the curry leaves as well. At this point, everything was going according to the plan. However, there was just one problem. We unfortunately forgot all the plates back at home. So men being men, and instead of going back to get them, we decided to head into the lake to find some leaves that we can use instead. Since we are in the middle of nature, in the middle of nowhere, we're going to go ahead and collect some plates, which is literally going to be all those lotus leaves, but we're going to go ahead and collect them on this bamboo boat. Let's do this. Stutti. I got the balance of like an 8-year-old woman. Alright, let the plate hunting adventure begin. Appiamo.
Appiamo.
I'm gonna go ahead and show these guys how it's done. Believe me, this is a lot harder than it looks. So 5 minutes later, we didn't move anywhere, so we got Mama moving us. Appiamo. Stutti Mama.
Thank you.
Wow, this is crazy, man. When was the last time you went into the middle of the lake to collect your plates? Wow, I love Sri Lanka, man. Sri Lanka #1. Superior. My man's still here.
Thank you.
This is literally what we're after, the biggest of the lotus leaves. That way we can go ahead and use them as a nice waterproof plate.
It's a big knife, huh? Yeah. Did I tell you I really like you? Take it easy, my guy, easy. Look at that, we got a nice collection of plates over here.
And now we are good? Ready?
Good.
Okay, appiamo. Appiamo. Wow, look at this. Not even 5 minutes later, after we decided to move, the heavens have decided to fully open on us, but it doesn't really matter because now we have shelter and we have some trees covering us. If you was wondering how do you get water all the way here in the middle of the village, look at this. We have a natural spring water right here. So let's go ahead and collect some. Hopefully I don't fall inside. Wow, how cool is that? After what seemed like an eternity, I got a call from the village man as they really wanted to show me their barbecue. Apparently, they were really proud of it. Guys, if you could only smell this amazing smell that just hit me when they lifted it. Look at this charcoal from all the banana leaves underneath it. It smells absolutely delicious. While we go ahead and cook all the curries and the barbecue, over here actually gonna go ahead and collect some fresh mango right from the tree as well. Stutti. So this guy's actually the kind landowner. He invited us into his land to go ahead and cook this fish. And look at this. So even though they are looking green, this is essentially what the Sri Lankan mangoes look like. Even when they are ripe, they are still in green color.
Look at this. No pressure, boys. You got everyone's dinner in your hands right now.
And finally, after 4 hours of cooking, it was now time to see if all that hard work was worth it.
Babul.
Babul.
Nice.
Babul.
Babul. Yes.
I have no idea what babul means. Babul.
Babul. Babul.
Look at this. He's adding to the collection. We've got the curry over here. We've got the beautiful shaved coconut over here.
However, before we started to eat, we needed to quickly go ahead and clean ourselves in preparation for this huge feast.
No, please. No, please. 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 Come on, no, please. No, I'll do. Okay, that's good.
He wants to do it because you are a visitor.
No, thank you, sir. Thank you. And finally, at this point, it was time to eat. Let's fucking go.
Thank you so much. That's so much food.
Sit down, please.
Wow. Wow. Stuti. Thank you so much. Thank you. Oh my God, look at this, guys. There is literally every single thing in front of us. We have the curry, we have the breadfruit, we have the fried fish, barbecued fish, and the coconut as well, huh? And the coconut.
Barbecue.
Superior. Wow. Very, very good. Absolutely delicious, man. Guys, I don't even know where to start. I guess let's start with the simplest one. This is breadfruit. Best piece. Best piece.
Dil.
Del. It's very good, sir.
Dil. Abung.
Very tasty. Our fish as well.
Okay. Dil.
I promise you that is the first time and the last time I'm going to have a man's meat in my mouth.
Yeah. Okay.
Right, it's the last time, yeah? Del, very tasty. Very good. Look at this. Super delicious, succulent, fatty piece of fish. That is what you want. No, it's too much, sir. It's too much. I'll take a little bit. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you, sir. You can have the rest of it. It's too much food for me. Yeah? Thank you so much. You're very generous, sir. And let's go ahead and mix the fish into that coconut. And look at this, man. It's going to be nice and calming.
While I was deep throating big mouthfuls of fish, the village man offered me a drink that I was not expecting.
Petrol.
This is petrol.
Petrol.
You drink petrol?
Petrol.
Let's hope my man does not drink petrol.
Petrol.
I feed you now? Yeah, good. Very tasty. Man, honestly, what a wholesome, delicious meal. But also, I couldn't have shared it with a nicer group of people as well. And guys, if you did not believe me how delicious this food is, everything is absolutely demolished. Look at this. Not a single morsel of fish, of that delicious breadfruit, or any of that salad is left. Absolutely delicious. Very good.
Very good. Thank you.
1, 2, 3.
Tutti, see you. Bye-bye. So there you have it, guys. What an incredible, wholesome, delicious experience that was. Of course, we got to taste delicious, authentic Sri Lankan food cooked by one of the most wholesome, loving Sri Lankan villages. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you in the next one. Appiamo!
It's okay.
If you like this video, you're gonna love this one. So go ahead and check it out.